Guys, in this video I'm going to show you 8 websites where you could sell your photos and earn money from them. This is a very simple way to start earn money online. I recommend high quality photos cause these sites only accept high quality photos. You could get started on this site with a phone, a laptop or a tablet, and this method works worldwide. You could earn money while you're sleeping by just uploading photos on this website. First website I'm going to show you is alarmy.com. This is one of the sites where you're going to upload your photos and earn money from them. And guys, as I tell you, I recommend high quality photos because this site only accept high quality photos. And you could see this site is partnered with Microsoft and some other big brands, so you could know this site is very legit and you're going to get paid. Just be a contributor and start to upload your photos and start to earn money from them. The second website is 500px.com. These are the next website that are going to pay you for your high quality photos. It's simple to get started with this site. All you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the website where you see become a contributor, and you could sign up from there, upload your photos and start to earn money from this site. The fourth website is shutterstock.com. This is the next website where you could upload your photo, just sign up and start upload photos and start to earn money from your photos online. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more content like this. The next site on the list is istock.com. This is the next website where you could upload your photos and earn money from them. The next website on the list is etsy.com. This is a very popular website where you could sell your photos. You could even sell other gadgets on this website. Sign up and start to sell on this website. The next website on the list is gettyimage.com. This is the next website where you could sell your photos and earn money from them. The last and final website is stocksy.com. This website is the next website where you could sell your photos online. You just become a contributor, upload your photos and start earning money from them. Guys, check out the first link in the description for add-on for your email system where you could use to earn $100 to $200 a day.